aya basi aracari Sankara da Premier umva nyuma ya Mr Elisha akubwira ngo imbogo dutangira filime y'umwaka yiswe Blowback atagira ucikwa ya nyuma ya Mr Elisha. Okay,
oh baby
skia ya warabonye filime z'abajura nka Takers ukabona The Town udacikwa iyi cyangwa Army of Thieves udacikwa Blowback. Mr Elisha ati mwana soko y'urukundo burya mutwara buhoro buce
nukuru kwiye ngoro
akwiye nye
umutima wanje nukuru kwiye ngoro
arayikwiye koko
ingoro
arabyongeye
wagukoraho gato
skia
yewe na muti ngoto
Begging Bogo umwana wayirica imbogo bahise Blowback Sankara da Premier akubwiye Elisha yajeje Begging Bogo umwana wayirica bahembe yayarica
amaso yawe anwara hano nazi motema nangaye
skia. Okay,
kunde banaratwawe watwaye ubwenge bwanje sinzi uko nabigiranje. I know you like my affection. My affection is your addiction. Your addiction is my mission.
nakubwira cyari Sankara da Premier kuva muri Giti Business Group hatagira ucikwa. Time to party, time to rye show. nakubwira kari karabuze karaje ryajwi ribohora imitima ya benshi Sankara da Premier day to day city samano writer byarakaze ahembe yayarica Begging Bogo umwana wayirica sio kanje kucatuzinduye kariwe
sasa hakuno
Giti yajukiye mu mwitozo
gihugu cy'u Rwanda mu mahanga
bayise Rebel Energy Whiskey
tozo warimbanyije
icyo kunywa cyongera ingufu n'akanyamuneza mu biri hose.
no
Gashya Business Group nika kugezaho
mahanga muri Thailand
skia
mwitozo warimbanyije umwitozo warimba
aya
acyunyasanga mu mwitozo haje hakuna kabagato
uruzingo mpuzamahanga muri make
muri size gakomeye kumagaye n'uruzingo
araka imbere yije ya rufendeke na Giti amasaha y'umwitozo
tiyisha umuntu rufendeke arapfuye
hagombera ni suku bateranya nk'umutoza
muri Thailand
muri teguye sawa nawe mudundane nk'abadunda baro
aka urugamba Giti versus
rufendeke ku mitsi ye wajyaho na mama ko wajya ni imitsi buretse gato coach naje nari ariko simvira maho kamaze nko kwa Rebel Energy Whiskey ngarura gataje Giti naje nkweregesha imbaraga sibirayi Rebel irabikora nakazi kose
sasa
gitara squata
barazura userukira igihugu
araka rufendeke boxi rigusa yevuganya Giti imbaraga sibirayi mureke abantu mwibicanga mwabuze aho mukoresha ibikoresho byose bya electronique kanze mbere ku mutekinisiye wabigize umwuga Salomo tekinisiye ku Kivumu ari Remera ruguye muri gare gatoya nako ruguru ya Feruje.
waba ufite ikibazo kuri smartphone ndetse n'izindi device electronique zitandukanye nka
nimero zacu nazindi uhamagara tukagukemura ikibazo cyose waba ufite
smartphone ndetse n'izindi device electronique zitandukanye nka radio, televiziyo ndetse n'izindi nyinshi ibyananiranye abikora nko guhumbya. Tubafite na accessoires nyinshi zitandukanye arizo
Salomo tekinisiye,
screen protector,
Kigali Universal Language School, ishuri rya mbere mu kwigisha indimi. Twigisha Icyongereza, Igifaransa, Igishinwa, Igihinde, Igiportuge, Igiswahili n'izindi. Wari uzi yuko imyaka yose waba ufite ushobora kwiga indimi kandi mu gihe gito? Birashoboka hamwe na Kigali Universal Language School. Ese urashaka kujya muri Amerika, i Burayi n'ahandi? Muri Kigali Universal Language School turagufasha kubona certificate zitandukanye zirimo TOEFL, IELTS, Duolingo, NETEF. Twegere kandi tuguha amahugurwa ku bijyanye na public speaking na interview performance. Akarusho kacu, dufite abarimu b'abahanga bakwigisha indimi ku rwego mpuzamahanga. Twigisha kandi amategeko y'umuhanda yaba mu Cyongereza no mu Gifaransa ku batumva neza Ikinyarwanda, kandi ukora rimwe gusa ugahita utsinda. Niba kandi ushaka kwiga porogaramu zitandukanye za mudasobwa, karibu muri Kigali Universal Language School tugufashe. Dusanga aho dukorera mu mujyi wa Kigali mu nyubako ya Shike muri etaje ya mbere mu muryango E046A. Ushobora kuduhamagara kuri telefone 078 03
Bahise blow back. Niyo tugiye gutangira
kuri 0787 Hitamo kwiga neza hamwe na Kigali Universal Language School.
Aya basi nuko tuitangiye. Iya bategwa muri nyinshi cyane ahubwo yaracyari Sankara Premier wumva nk'ibisanzwe. Saban Films GT Business Group. Bona abateguye mbere na mbere. Nagarabu gusa bategwa muri nyinshi cyane. Premier Entertainment, IT and Distribution. Sei ko bitanzanye kubasomera. Basoma ndwana n'icyo ubundi sike ndavunwa n'ubusa. Tangirira hakuno. Bonti Media Capital. MC Films. Bona abandi zateguye Mr. Saban Films presents. So bondi bisinabisomye ndabisubiramo ibyiki. Kyegarwe. Blowback ni filime. Tangira hakuno umugezi wari utwaye Randy Couture n'umucikwe. Mukinnyi w'imena Randy Couture. Utwaye aratwarwa natwaye neza. Louis na Chris n'abakinnyi bandi b'imena. Utwaye ipine ryapfumutse. Yatobokeje umugabo ari marava maraso menshi. Mbanza yarashwe tu. Imbatala accident. Kumbuka twaye hanafite akangunga kakora umushoferi. Modoka aratwara manza mboko adakora neza. Hakurya hakuno. Filime no kutangiye. Ntago ari mu cyerekezo kimwe. Ntago ameze neza Mr. Ko yakaje. Tayara komeza imbere. Ameze nabi. Mugabo ararembye ntareba neza uyene yajya. Nazamura umutwe ariko maze ari mfite ibizunga mukuntu. Polisi mucaho. Polisi yakamuciyeho. Mugabo ameze nabi. Asaya mu gitondo. Polisi kubita return U-turn baramukurikira. Ntago umuntu twaye gukemeze gute byanga byakunda afite ikibazo. Ageza afata feri cyari imwe imodoka imuzimiraho. Kubita umutwe kuri vora. Modoka komeza ivuza ihoni. Mupolisi avayo. Nyakubahwa.
Sir, can you hear me?
Ye nyakubahwa uranyumva? Modoka irimo yavuza amahoni.
Control 2 Adam 3.
Umva kabiri Adam gatatu. Umva dukeneye ubuvuzi bwihutirwa. Hari umuntu arashwe mu rutugu rw'ibumoso. Left shoulder. Ebwatinze. Badusubiza inyuma iminsi mikeya. Hakuno kwa muganga hari urwaye. Nakana gatoya. Barakari kwa mugabo twatangiye araswa yarafite kwana kwa muganga mugenza rwaje. Barimo arakina ka chess. aha.
You sure about that?
Papa uri sure y'ibyo ukinnye cyangwa gutsinda? Barakina. Ngo neki urantsinze?
That's 2 out of 3.
Yeah. Ni 2 kuri 3.
You are a winner.
Urantsinze kuri iyi nshuro.
Then why am I here?
Uzibona tugaruka mpamvu ndi hano.
Dad,
Papa,
I want to go home.
ndashaka gutaha. Kana kararwaye kararembye.
I know.
Ndabizi.
I know. I'm sorry. Look,
Mwana ndabizi ariko muhangane.
it's gonna be okay.
Ibintu biraza kumera neza uraza gutaha.
I'm gonna be okay.
Papa bizamera ryari neza ko. Buri munsi uramwa unihangane.
Right now, this is
Nonaha
where you have to be.
niko bigomba kumera, ugomba guma mu bitaro.
Here until you get better.
Mpaka umunsi umuganga azakubwira kumeze neza.
It's not gonna work.
Papa ntabwo bizakunda.
Don't you get it?
Ntabwo byumva.
Working on it.
Ndimo ndabyitaho.
Can't stop things from happening.
Stop.
Ntabwo twabihagarika papa.
You can't save me.
Ntabwo wantabara. Mwana sinzi arwaye iki.
You weren't there for Mom when she needed you.
Wari uhari mu bwo mama yaragukeneye.
Stop it.
Mwana wanjye bereke ibyo ngibyo.
What exactly do
Bazi umwana se na nyina barashwanye.
my fault that she's gone?
Mama nifata nkaho yagiye yadutaye nakundi. Tuza rero nzakwitaho kandi ibintu uzabikora. Mama niba yaragiye sinshaka kubona n'umukobwa wanjye. Ndashaka nkugume hafi.
Dad, just leave.
Papa ngaho genda. Niba udashaka mama ngaho genda. Ntabwo ni bucika intege. I'm not giving up.
There are other treatments.
Hari indi miti Emma.
Please, leave.
Papa va hano genda.
I'll be
Iyo utangiye kumwira mama mwana atandukanye ushaka no kumwumva. Hari ibyo utagomba kubwira umwana mu gihe yirwariye. Emma.
Please, do not give up on me.
Mwana ntukizere ko nacitse intege. Kandi nanjye ntukanci intege.
go.
Papa ndarushye ngaho genda. Humura nzakora ibishoboka mwana wanjye kandi uzavana uri muzima. Kana kararwaye mu rugo ubukeneye bwose. Kana nikameze neza. Mugabo arahaguruka.
Excuse me,
Ye nyangarira.
Mr. Gibson.
Yakuba Gibson. Kira hakuno. Sawa sawa.
I will have your money. I promise.
Amafaranga yanyu uzayabazanira kandi abasezeranye.
Stay as long as she wants.
Umva umwana ashaka kuvurwa neza kandi ndacakeneye indi miti. Mwishyure ne ya mbere. Ubukene burari mu rugo. Afaranga nakibura. Tugaruka kuno kuri Vegas Valley Banks. Harabari. Wa musore Munyezi Gibson niho yaje. Haruwazaga. Aratangira.
It's there. Saw a couple of Valenti's guys in there this morning.
Bazi uyu musara abasore ba Valentine. Valentines nako. Sure.
A guy named Cameron, their lawyer.
Bafite umwavoka wabo witwa Cameron.
Insured it for a lot of money.
Yishyurwa amafaranga menshi.
One more ring to the insurance.
Yishyura na silence ihambaye. Kuba manager ya banka na hano au inywera bibimoji. Ntibisanzwe da.
Seed phrases in there with the thumb drives. Better.
No gutuza mu gihe utwaye nta mvyo ukoresha ibiyobyabwenge.
Why's that? Days.
Kananga depoje umugabo arikomereza. Ni Gibson. Haraho yaje. Handse combine. Las Vegas. Yitonze na kwa gym kamwe hano hamwe. Amafaranga nayibura. Zakuno kuri gym. Gym tonic. Myitozo buhari. Bitonze. Kumbe araho yaje kureba. Bite Nick.
So you own this place?
Hano nahawe.
More or less.
Cyane cyangwa gake.
You can sign up for an annual contract.
Or monthly.
hano ngira kontra y'umwaka cyangwa kwezi.
But that means you have to make a commitment.
Yeah, niko bimeze.
Funny. But that was a long time ago.
Cyari gihe kinini nayiruka muri gym. Hakuno madamu baratandukanye ariko kiza cy'abazungu namwe aratandukanye babuza guhura mukubitana amasafuri. Reka reka. Muraganira kuba mwaratandukanye. Byo nta gitangaza kirimo. Fa kwa umwana akomeje ubuzima bwe. Bazakuno kuganiramo. Bafitanye umwana ari mu bitaro umugabo nta mafaranga afite.
So,
none
you think Jack would be interested in this?
Uracheka Jack umugabo wari ubyishimire?
I mean, it's $500,000 for Jack.
Ndavuga 500 bya Jack.
More for your guys.
Nandi yanyu.
I guess. And
ndacheka na yawe.
Do this without a crew.
Ako wabwana na crew. Jeza konja kubona ariko nawe.
You doing this for Emma?
Urimo ariko umwana wawe Emma cyane.
There's an experimental procedure in LA.
Ndabizi nk'umuntu abaye muri LA Los Angeles. Ndabizi na insurance ntabwo yamuvuza kandi akeneye kuvurwa. Mbabarire.
I'll see what I can do.
Ndareba icyo nakora nanjye. Nimona udufaranga ndakongerera uvuza umwana wacu. Gusa arakazi ngo bafitanye. Sinzi ni kazi bwoko ki. Ibi ni byabaye mbere yuko tubona uyu musore Nick Gibson yarashwe mu rutugu.
Funny, huh?
Ah, birasekeje. Isa uracyayibuka. Banza yariye.
Where did you find it?
Wayikuye bana?
Figure you'd want it back.
Nari nzi kukikeneye. Nari narayibitse. Ibintu byahise ntabwo ari ngombwa kuyima. Sahara yisiga. Kandi urakoze. Yifite ni mu boyfriend, umugabo we baratandukanye. Aratangira. Ageze aha arakomeza kombo usigare nyiri umugore nawe arinjira rendi kuca amazina nyakuri bararebana bitwaye iki kwa mwarakundanye yaratangira afite cyose cy'umwana urwaye ntaza amafaranga arava he 50 grams 500 nako yoko yakinjiye.
Business is slow, but I'm making my payments. You'll get your money.
Umva business imagenda buhoro raga amafaranga yo kwishyura abona kandi kuraza kuyabona. Umugabo nawe nyiri gym ariko umugore azaga kodesha. Arangije
100K.
ibihumbi 100. Ndakura 10 nacho.
There is a way I could get you a bigger payment.
Hari uburyo nakubonera amafaranga yawe menshi.
I have a connection to a job.
Hari ahantu ufite connection y'akazi.
Only if it means I'm out of our deal.
Ariko usanga ashaka kunkura muri deal.
Okay. Paid in full.
Ndashaka nkwishyure yose. Sheri. Igisi wawe yaraje no kumara iki? Bajya kuri gatana. Komana. Yatani. Uyu hakuno nta jobu. Kwicara bara amasaha nta kindi. Gusa ngo ari diro bagomba guturitsa bakabonamo ibiceri bihagije. Sinzi ni diro ubwoko ki. Ya telefoni karasona.
Hey, Jim.
Yego Jim.
Yeah, no, I got your message.
Nabonye ubutumwa bwawe.
Really?
Cyane.
That can't be right. I'm pretty sure I already sent the check in.
Umva humana naza kubanza ndeko bimeze ariko nta kibazo.
Yeah, no, I will I'll look into it.
Ndaza kubyitaho. I look into it.
As soon as I can.
Ndakusubiza mu nyuma uko byihuse. Sinzi ndiri ubwoko cyari marakina. Kuri ya Jim nijoro. Hari abateguye amabunda
until the bank manager leaves.
Turaza kwinjira muri bank manager agisohoka. Bashaka kwiba bank.
For us, every weekday at 2:30 she leaves to pick up her kid from school.
Uyo mugabo bank manager buri kwa kangahe wa gatandatu saa 8 za 30.
Okay.
Ajya gutora umwana ku ishuri.
Right here.
Turaca mu muryango w'inyuma.
20 minutes.
Minota 20.
Everyone inside, you'll need my contact.
umva mwese barajya bindani mbona mukeneye ko mbahamagara gusa.
This is Ryan.
Uyu ni Ryan.
He's the assistant branch manager.
Uyu ni assistant branch manager. Niwe wungirije manager.
Have the keys to the boxes and the vault.
Afite imfunguzo zigomba gufungura vaults n'amakarito abikwamo ibintu by'abaturage.
Now,
Kufri foro.
you can push him around a little.
Mwamushyira ku ruhande akanya gato.
A little.
Akanya gato.
It's just for show.
Kugira dukanga abantu.
We do that if he's your contact.
Kubera ko muvuzeranye se.
The idea here is to make this look like a messy amateur.
Umva mwijya guterana amagambo cyangwa ikindi cyo tubaza hano ni business turimo turaganiraho. Kuba baziranye bamaze.
Thank you.
Murakoze.
Ikindi. Have his keys. You can get the boxes open.
Tumukoye imfunguzo assistant branding manager, branch manager. Twamubona uburyo ki twafungura box course tukarito turimo amafaranga amashanete amazabi ibintu nk'ibyo tugakokora tugacaho.
Having the customers keys as well, correct?
Ari ndi yabafite imfunguzo za customer. Umvanya amakarito nzi ko yasetsa niyo nawe mfite urufunguzo.
Won't be pretty, but I can get them open.
I can get them open. Nafungura nje buri kufure foro yose. Bafitemo na bafite za master key.
The better, right?
Sawa.
You want to focus on the larger boxes, right? On the left side of the wall here.
Ano kurane dufitemo ikarito nini cyane.
Box 23.
Ikarito 23 ni muyigiraho.
That is our box.
Iyo niyo karito dukeneye cyane cyane ari umuzigo uhambaye.
And inside, you will find this briefcase.
Iyo briefcase irimo indani niyo dukeneye cyane cyane. Niyo iri mu ikarito ya 23.
Many boxes as you can.
Amakarito muyatware mukura amafaranga muyarye nta kibazo ariko iyo karito atagira umuntu ukuraho.
Whatever's in the other boxes and whatever cash is in the vault, that's all yours.
Amafaranga basore mwibe byose mu byibe nta kibazo. Yaba ari muri kufure forum makarito yandi muyatware. Ariko iyi valise numbaze ngo valise ari miki naye numbaze.
So what's in that case?
None ari miki?
None of your fucking business.
Nago bikureba witubaza.
Plenty of cash in the vault and the other.
Mutwara amafaranga ari muri kufure forum n'ahandi hose n'amazahabu ariko rimwe agira umuntu kuri ya karito bivuze karito ifite agaciro gahambaye.
This is mousy little freak.
Ntago biyumvikana neza.
This is Xander.
Uyitwa Xander. Uyu ni telekomande yacu.
Cameras.
Azi control amakamera ahantu hose ku buryo yayobye na polisi. Polisi bakataka banke bazi ko rero yateye bagasanga ahubwo bibeshye.
Running this job, Jack? Or is he?
Nende yabaye akazi. Uyibaza byinshi wa musukabo. Umva nyumva neza. Nijye uyoboye aka kazi. I'm running this job. Nagiye mfite cyo kubwira ubusa uko ari byo mubwiye nta kindi. Uranyumva neza? Musukwa gusa. Bagiye gukora banke ku manywa y'ihangu. Mabandara. Abantu benshi bashaka iyo case irimo indani. Mwebwe rero.
Really hurting people. The cops are going to take a
Nta mpamvu yuko mubabaza abaturage polisi abyivangamo cyane.
It's just heat we don't need.
Nta kintu dukeneye.
Better look at it. Sometimes things happen in there.
Hari ibera mindani nta kibazo.
Not this time.
Nagare kuri insho nakubaza umuturage. Atagira umuntu murasa, atagira umukubita, mukora akazi, musohoke mwigendere. Nitutagira umuntu ukomeretsa polisi nizakurikirana ikirego cyane. Ariko ni mu gihe yagira umuntu afira cyangwa agakomereka nibwo polisi izadukurikirana iperereza rigakomera.
We do this right. There's a
turabikora gutyo kandi.
Everyone gets their share.
Buri muntu afata umugabane we nta bindi.
Okay.
Sawa. Sawa, we cool.
Alright.
Sawa sawa. Twizeye ko ari akazi. Bano bona briefcase nakwikoraho.
That's crap.
Mwanda.
How much you think Jack's get?
Hasi ubundi bari asinze barafata mangaye.
How much to take is?
Sindakora akazi nkaka. Mani mwari bashaka manzi henze. Bamanaga ariko ntibabitindaho. Hakuno bano biteguye akazi. Na wa mukobwa madamu wuyu. Nako yahoze ari madamu baratandukanye. Zana na barasigara.
Don't worry about him.
No mugire ikibazo. Sibyo?
His dad looked after me in prison and so
Ise anyitayeho ndi muri gereza. Nawe mwizemera ko ni nahanza zita ku muhungu we. Zanda niwe rwose niyo mpamvu mwizera cyane.
He's got skill.
Afite ubuhanga. Ikaza ndakarani kahaka.
Yeah.
Okay.
Abonye umuntu akoreje cyane.
5 days is a long time really low before we make the sale.
We tuzacuruza nyuma yaho.
Exchange is person to person.
Muzahinduranye umuntu ku muntu.
The date and time with the buyer, change it now. That would just be
Nah.
Hoya.
Leave it.
Gihorere.
But I'm gonna need some insurance so things fly.
Assurance nzayishyura mu gihe kibazo.
No problem.
Nta kibazo. Rero ni mu gitondo kwiba. Nibwatinze buracya. Hari waje hakuno ku musozi yitonze. Ni Zanda. Aza ku munara. We, mwitegure. Hano hari amakamera ya banki ebyiri zitandukanye arimo arakurura.
2:30.
Nibwatinze baracungira hafi.
Bingo. There she is.
Uriya nawe twari dukeneye. There she is.
Right on time.
Asohokeye ku gihe.
Xander,
Zanda,
start the feed.
tangira uyobye za kamera. Polisi babone kamera zitari izo banki twinjiyemo.
Feed starting in 3.
Twinjiye muri Prompirere ubereke Sebeka.
1.
Yeah, copy that.
Nabahinduriye polisi barimo arabona banki mutagiye kwinjiramo. Ayo mwinjira mu mwisanzuwemo nitonze hatagira n'ikibakanga. Hano hari abashaka briefcase iri muri box. Abandi bababwiye bati mwebwe muri bariko mutwara amazahabu imiringa ibintu byose bihenze bibise banki bitse ariko iyo bavaris atagira uyikoraho. Mwese chini ya Williams, get down. Mufungura umuryango sha. Fungura umuryango manager nawe bahereyeho bakanga. Nesi mitwe hasi. Mufunge ibintu mwisakuza. Bajura bazi ko kamera bazikuyeho nta kibakanga nta nubwo abafite. Dore kuri polisi barimo arabona banki itatatswe. Yewe. Ingia ndani we. Toka nje. Soka nawe. Tayari. Ndeze bandi babigize umwuga we. Uve kubina bibehene n'amankoko abandi nuguhagurukira amadolari amafaranga afatika.
Where's the keys?
Imfunguzo ziri.
They won't work.
Ntago zikora imfunguzo. Ziba umunwa. Ntago zikora iki?
Give me the keys.
Shaka imfunguzo. Hatagira uva hari. Wamana nari mvuye no gusenga mbere cyafite Bibiliya wamaze. Barangije. Yaza hakuno. Za nyundo. Tobara diske. Atagira diske isigaraho amashusho agaragaza yuko hari ababandi y'ibye banka. Nta kimenyetso basiga inyuma. Ubu diske dire aragendera butobagura.
Back in the lobby with the rest of them. Go! Manager's coming out!
Manager, arimo arasohoka. Cheni ya ulinzi, get down. Nawe hasi nk'abandi bose. Tagira uva hari usabwa mu mutwe nabe nagahanga. Uyo kureba abona polisi zerekeje ku yindi banke itari iyo barimo. Batangira gufusetsa.
Box 23.
Tayari. Nibuke vault 23. Dore ya varisi bashakaga. Abandi mwemerewe amafaranga amaza habo babitse mwamwe bagwa ku mashaneti. Dore amadolari barapakira. We ndeba wa muswa we. Baracyasetsa. Madolari amadiyama. Kumbe dore uyu mama polisi aho yayohereje. Polisi iza yihuta. Bazanye na SWAT. Baracyapakira ikoca. Pakira urufito. Aya n'umwuzukuru azayaryaho tu. Mwana mugira vamo mwana polisi irimo iraza wangu. Fata briefcase barayifata. Baratangira. Tujyana. Mudamara. Veronica ni ugiye kubatwara. Wese atagira uzamuka wangu. Kano bakabuje kureba. Nakubwe umutwe hasi ngumene. Manager, pita hapa. Gwenano. Hagara kose. Assistant manager niyo bafite. Police.
Hey, what the hell, man?
Niki mwana.
We're all set.
Man, twari muri gahunda.
Yo, hey, what is this?
Tayari bank manager baramwana yari mu bagambaniye bank. Hey. Yaraye muri diru kumbe bare babigambanye nawe. Tayari.
What the hell were you doing in there?
Barakora imishindanira. Bari barutegereje iki? Baratangira. Tayari bisa nk'aho ubwabo polisi yinjiye hakuno basanga banki baje ngo baratabara ntiyatewe na rimwe. Turaba turikinze barabayobeje. Hey, niko muzamenya Zan man. Zan akita Zan. Tayari. Aya turayariye wangu. Hey. Ibi byose nibyo turimo turibuka. Wa musore mbere yuko araswa mu rutugu. Mwana ni fresh. Nta muntu ukurikiye. Ya. Gafaranga karabonetse. Nibyo mani turariye ashobora kutugaruka ntawe ubizi ariko tuyatware kakara kubereye mwana uhita ukambara tayari. Yana ni hatari ni keza za kuri kufure foro nako kuriya briefcase harimo amadiski indani.
You guys knew the deal.
Guys, mwari muzi gahunda.
Keep the cash, whatever else you
mutwara amafaranga n'ibindi za diamond n'amazahabu ariko umuntu murebe briefcase akuramo disk deal imwe.
500 grand on that.
Ibyo ni 500 by'amagrand. No yaburi. Sawa wangu.
All right, we'll stick with the plan.
Bani twagumye ku mupango wangu.
Running around like idiots.
Hedupfa kugenda nk'abaswa.
A few days, we all get our cut. All right?
Nyuma y'iminsi mike buri umwe azabona umugabane we.
Cool.
Turumvikanye. Akira wa ya mbere. Tangira kubagabagabanya gace gace. Yo mana amafaranga arahumura nji. Shaka kuvuza agakobwa ke. Geze hano mukajorojoro buri umwe gufata imodoka ye acukwe. Pinda barikoreye. Takazi katagutunga cyari kagakoranya ubwenge buke. Kazi karakorwa. Ko bakaje tayari. Bose buri umwe n'ibye yakuramo gitaburiya nakora usurubeti sorry barerekera bararebana n'umu egisi sawa tuko pamoja. Rangije kugira gutya abona bamutoboreye ipine. Binikira akiraho mugenzi we baya asaza bari mu rutugu cya briefcase hasi kivayo bavuye kwiba hamwe baramusinicinga baracyamuha gwa munsi y'agasozi gatoya. Reba wangu bazana agatoroshi nako naganika muri kacane yagwana umukanu k'agakingo kingo mani tugende batatu bagenzi no mugambaniye tayari mani mupoweje mani tugende niyo boro manziri mimari nayo tuzabivumbura mu nyuma. Barasyanza abaturage batangiye guhurura bikoza mu kimodoka cya Chevrolet baratangira Chevrolet mugabo ko bakamuhaye mu rutugu bw'ibumoso. Ayiwe meze nabi. Yo kwaga kangutse mu gitondo yiriwe mu kazi kini yankurye n'umunaniro wose ko yagahwereye uzayisunikiriza ntameze neza. aho no filime ubwo yagahwereye aho no twaboneye mugenza ikubita umutwe ku modoka polisi amutabariza.
Sir, can you hear me?
Nyakuba uranyumva? Ntibwatinze bamuzana kwa muganga.
You know, there was cops already here, right?
Hanacyo nibuka no kwara umupolisi.
Everything that I knew.
Yewe namubwiye ibyo narizi byose.
Mr. Thompson.
Bakwita Nyakuba Thompson.
Like I said.
Nkuko navuze.
What I
Nari
had a flat and that's
umupine ryanjye ryari yapfumutse natobokesheje.
That's it. That's all I remember.
Ibyo nibyo nibuka.
All right.
Sawa.
Feel free to call us if any details come to mind.
Niba ugira icyo wibuka uduhamagare rwose, telefone yacu ni ubuntu, free calls. Sawa sawa. Na polisi ari muri investigation. Yeah. Ariko ntameze neza.
He's hiding something.
Bazari cyahisha.
The drives are scammers anyway, you know.
None se yabamurasiye imodoka gutyo gusa twaye.
Only for the strip clubs bringing them.
Kasanga n'ibyo ngo yatubwiye atari byo.
Doesn't want us.
Ari ibihimbano.
Hold on.
Baretse gato.
Hey, Reed.
Yego ready. Nikupa.
Yeah, do me a favor.
Ndanyiri icyo mfasha. Yaza hakuno baganga baracyahari.
Hey.
Yewe.
Okay.
Meze neza.
Use the bathroom.
Nakoresha ubwiherero.
Hang on to this.
Nagufasha.
Yeah.
Yego.
Actually, I think I can manage from here.
Yeah, hano nditwaza nta kibazo. Meze neza nta kibazo nditwaza.
If you know what I mean.
Ko yakitwaje. Hakuno arebere muri swimming pool. Nayo twa disk ya dirimwe. Randy kucha mazana nyakuri. Hakuna madamu na yinywera bya kokayine. Mugabo nawe.
Shit's gonna make you stupid.
No busca wan. Telefone la son.
Told you not to call.
Nakubwiye unumamagare.
Every time we talk to each other, it's the risk we don't need.
Umva nujya umamagara nukamagara ibya risk.
Heard about Nick.
Numvise byabaye kuri Nick.
If they found his body, he'd be out by now.
Umubiri wese uri. Nick nawe uri barashije ryashize.
You sure? You don't sound sure.
Umva kumbwira ngo wamurashe nkaho utari shuwa.
Then what?
Niki?
That wasn't part of the agreement.
Ibyo ntabwo byari byo twumvikanye.
50K to do Nick.
Nagwaye $50 kugira ngo uce Nick ni $50 z'amanyarwanda.
You don't get paid till I sell the case.
Nakubwira ngo umurase umunuzanire iyo case. Tuyigurishe.
What are you saying, Jerry?
Jerry, siko twumvikanye?
Doubt? Is that a threat?
Uri muri ankangase?
Better think about how you answer.
Igisubizo nakimenya mu kanya.
I have the leverage, Jack.
Mfite ibyo mushaka.
Either you get me the money or I'm not showing up.
Nuta amafaranga nanjye ntabwo umenya aho umerereye.
You're gonna screw this whole deal.
Ushaka kwangiza gahunda yose.
The buyer is ready.
Umuguzi ariteguye.
I can do about that.
Icyo nabikoraho.
Guaranteed money.
Aho ufite amafaranga wizewe. Ndashaka umugabane wa Nick twara uwumpe.
And that's it.
Ibyo ko mudu 50 ntabwo mbyemera mu mugabane wa Nick.
I will text you when it's time to get your cash.
Ndakwandikira igihe cyo gufata amafaranga cyawe n'ikigero. Kiramukupa.
Hello?
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 Hello? Sasa watangiye gushwana barashaka bafatemo umugabane wa Nick. Abaro Jerry afata. Amagara bandi. Willis.
I need you to do me a favor.
Ndashaka kumfasha. Kumboye nawe kwa muganga maze ashaka kwacika. Ntabandi ribiri siri mu bamfatire mu bitaro nyirwaye. Yitonze. Aza hakuno. Akuramo dukweto twe. Myenda yuzuye amaraso. banamo ikofi ye ko yagasohotse. Abapolisi bambazaga baracyavugana n'umuganga. Akomeza imbere yitonze. Komeje imbere ndakomanga tayari ndani hakuno. Iyo bafuza babika imyenda aba bafuriye imyenda y'abaganga. Hakurya hari akaforomokazi gahari. Fata imyenda y'abakozi hakuno y'abakirina. Kumbe Willis aza hakuno kwa muganga. Uyasohoka kana kuri esanseri. Kumbe jensi kimwe cyari gitwaye ejo bamurasa. Ngiye kinjira mu bitaro. Ikizwa baraje atapfuye ndani.
Can I help you?
Nagufasha?
Yeah.
Ego.
Confirm the Gibsons are
Ndashaka cyumba Emma Gibson yarimo. Kakana ka Gibson.
No, friend of the family.
Ndi inshuti y'umuryango.
Oh, I'm sorry, sir.
Wihangane.
Visitors?
Nta bashyitsi babemerewe.
Immediate family allowed.
Kereka ari ibintu byihutirwa famiye ikenewe.
Can I give this to her?
Ibi nabimwereza.
Could you?
Nta kibazo. Ntacyo bitwaye rwose bimera umwana. Agape n'uturabo. Umva ukamwereza nava muri MRI banze gupima ubwonko. Kumucisha mu cyuma. Abanza kureba ecology aremeza. Kana bagaha indabyo n'agape. Mwana kira ko yagasinziriye isamuza hejuru. Ese yagiye kwiba ngo arabe ko atabara umwana we nabyo byanze. Kumbe uncle wako ni Willy. Ati Uncle Willis aragukunda. Familia ni ibisambo. Yewe.
I'm gonna get you out of here soon.
Sheri ndaza gukurana vuba.
Have you been these days anyway?
Wari umaze iminsi uriye papa.
Why are you dressed like that?
Kuki wambaye gutyo papa? Kuki wambaye imyenda y'abakozi ba hano?
I don't want to know.
Sishaka kubimenya kwanza. Ntugire ikibazo akana karakorora. Arakorora. Uruhu rwarangiritse. Nimba karwaye iki? Kure yagutse umwana atangiye kujya akorora amaraso. Ntago ameze neza. Agahabizu. Ndaza kugaruka mwana wanjye. Sawa papa. Nibwatinze. Uyavayo yitonze. Arangije.
Call for a ride?
Witeguye ko tugenda? Kumbe kazanda ko yakizeye.
Gotcha.
Ndagufite mwana.
Chill out here.
Reka tuve hano. Baratangira. Kazanda yibuke se bakazanda ngo yaramufashije ari muri gereza niyo mpamvu aragakunda.
I never trusted those guys.
Mana sinigeze nizera bari basenze kuva na mbere.
Got you some clothes.
Kira imyenda yawe.
You think Jack and Veronica are in on it?
Wacheka Jack na Veronica bafite mu ruhare.
Is there something we can do in the blockchain?
Hari ikintu wabikora mwana?
Get the transaction reversed or get...
Nta kindi mbere na mbere nabanza nanjye ni maraburize byanga byakuntu uko byagenda kose nabanza mune n'umukire twumvikane.
All of it.
Byanga byakuntu ibyo bakoze biraza kubagaruka. Mu bantu bose yimanye nabo.
Great deal on Amazon.
Kandi ugakubitisha umuriro uraza kugakenera. Nta yindi ntwara afite aho hafi aho. Meze nabo urutugu ruramurya amasaha 3 ni menshi mu rutugu rumwe.
Damn.
Mwanda.
It's pretty bad.
Mwana meze nabi kabisa.
I need you to go back to the hospital. Keep an eye out.
Ndashaka kuza gusubira ku ivuriro komeza uncugira umwana wanjye. Niyo nangira kubakora amakazi bashobora kumukurikirana Emma. Mukobwa we. No kubahera ruhande. tugaruka hakuno sasa kuri police.
The robbery on the cloud.
Sasa police bagiye.
The onset hard drives are destroyed.
Ikintu bakoze nta kintu babanje kwiba hard drive za ziriya nuza ziriya bank bibyemo.
What time is this?
Am hard disk yandi basubije muri
Who's that?
Central room nandi mashyashya banzukuru hakuno.
And the robbery starts.
Aho no bujubara bwatangiriye.
2:30 right around.
Hace 30 nibwo batangiye.
Nothing.
Nta kindi tubona.
It's a fake feed.
Yep.
Kumva amakuru ari na ya fake.
That's the cut point.
Iriya niyo modoka yonyine itigeze ihinduka.
Where the robbery starts.
Aha no buzaba bwatangiriye.
The feed as it uploaded to the cloud.
Uko bigaragara abaturage ntabwo bigeze bahinduka muri bank n'ibiri hanze nta cyahindutse sibyo ko amadisk yarari muri bank niyo bahinduye mu mashini ya bank.
This ain't no smash and grab. They're pros.
Abasenze n'abahanga.
Any other footage from outside the business?
Nta yindi footage waba bafashe cyane mashusho. Hari imodoka imwe hari.
There it is.
Ngiri hari.
Any plates?
Plaque yayo.
Those were only a partial.
Ntabwo zagaragaye neza.
Of course, when something comes in.
Ukomeza uduhamagare nagira icyo ubona.
Those safety deposit boxes.
Ubundi dushaka n'izo deposit boxes ba nyirazo ni bande. Yamakarito yebwe muri banka imwe yarimo briefcase barashaka ba nyiri ari amakarito bamenye ngo ni bande. Naho babakurikirane. Ebwatinzuye za hakuno. Bamaze kwiba intebe baherewe niyo nyarunyiri umupangu. Icyo nshaka nta kindi briefcase yiwe. Kureba hano dore cya Willis kiri umunaki cyagambanye n'abandi basambu kujya bamurya ibiceri. Ndaguheraho tu. Aho gikorera hazi Willis avayo gitonze. Faranga ryabonetse bose babyimbye. Uwo modoka hakuno. Rukiraho tangira imodoka yitonze. Ya cocaine nibyo bikururira no gusinifinga cocaine. Kunyuza amazuru vuba vuba. Ai mukanya zirakora. Akira wa mukubitisha umuriro. Mukuru we mwenyewe Gibson. Iri he? Nta numwe ashaka kubica ashaka briefcase. Ashaka briefcase yanjye wamuswabe. Yibaze Jack. Wa mugabo wagutwaye umugore niwe ufite briefcase. Ari kirya gapana. Ndavuga Jack ari he? Nawe nta numwe ashaka kimutoneka bamwe bamurashe mu kuboko. Ndavuga Jack ari he? Where is he? Cyanga kuvuga arakiniga. Yaje kubitisha umuriro ntambaraga. Cyasuye n'umwana n'umujinya yifitiye cyagiye kwa muganga gisanga yakana kigasigira ipe n'indabyo. Shaka no kunyicira umwana ni mwanyujwe n'ibyo mwakoze wa musenzi we. Yezu umwuka araniga. Fata ingoto. Aracyarwana. Gapupe wahaye n'umwana wanjye kanze nkwereke. Tazongera gutekereza no kwegera umwana wanjye. Uranyumva musenzi wa sasa muheza umwuka mu kanwa ingoto yayikanze. Buri Hey. Yewe. Uyu ko bakamuhejeje umwuka. Willis. Baramwivugana. Muri bangahe hasigaye bangahe? Wa mbere aciyo. Amaze kumwivugana mwandasye. Kimukanzaho bamurashe hose mu gutoneka zero. Caho yitonze. Nta bandi ritagira amabandi bakorana. Aza hakuno mugoroba umwe. Nick.
How you doing?
Mr. One?
You know.
Razi.
Oh shit. That doesn't look good.
Sawa ntameze neza.
I'm not doing that sort of stuff.
Ngana nago nakora ibyo ukundi maso yanjye nameze neza. Nago bikora. Ayi faranga ari kubisaroro. Tujye mindani murebere. akazi karanze yishingira akavuriro ka magendu.
Have you sit right there.
Inzu, imodoka, nicyo cyumba, niyo saro. Byose bibera ahantu hamwe.
This bag over here.
Baga nshyirana ya first aid, butabazi bw'ibanze.
This will work.
Kuramo agapira.
Yep, that's clean.
Reka manze matunganye. Ibintu byose ndeburyaje.
All right. Let's see.
Katurebe ikurikira.
Okay, good. All right, looks like you got 2 wounds.
Sanga afite ibikomere bibiri.
Yeah. All right. Looks like you had a collision with some lead.
Yeah, you could say that.
Hakuru sasa ibikomere ni bitatu mu mugongo kimwe, mu kuboko habiri.
Come undone. You're losing a lot of blood back here.
Banza kure igipfuko kwa muganga wari amushizeho.
Okay. I'm gonna have to
mbere na mbere ngomba kubanza koza.
See what I'm doing back.
Uraribwa gato ariko nta birenze. Gukuraho za mikorobe.
All right, let me see if I have a clean needle here.
Kabaze ne ko mfite urushinge rusa neza.
Despite with the state of
Mangana nta kibazo mwana.
I am a very capable physician.
No muganga yabigize umwuga wangu.
I don't have anything really for pain. I got this.
Uburibwe rwose yanga nagwa painkillers ibinini bigabanya uburibwe.
Ready? This is gonna hurt because this is the first poke.
Wihangane ngiye kubaza ko niko kambere ngiye gucisha mu rushinge. Aradodo yagashinyiriza ihangane. Bose nama bandi cyabuza akazi kubera ububandi.
For some pain. Right here.
Kira hakuno.
Use only as directed.
Ibyo binini bikoresha nko nkubwiye.
Oh then.
Ko bisa nkaho bishaje se byataye n'igihe. Biracyakora.
Work pretty good for me.
Nje birankorera rero.
Just want to finish that beer.
Yari byeri yanya nari ntangiye. Akiriye imaniza binini nta mazi dufite muri iyi nzu. Ndebera umuganga uraha. Police sasa. Nebukatinze mu gitondo kanangaza hakuno. Barayi bamuhanduye amasasu ariko arakiyagazeho. Haraho yabyukiye sasa. Gibson nawe akunda borozi. Ntagava kwizima. Bamwibye ntarakireka arabahiga gace gace. Ukubica umugenda umwe uyu munsi undejo bundi paka bashize.
Can I help you?
Nagufasha.
Mr. Gibson for Mr. Cameron.
Umva nitwa Gibson ndashaka umugabo witwa Mr. Cameron.
I have some information for him.
Mfite amakuru ye akeneye. Ajyanye n'iki? Ntari ibintu biyibwe muri iyi minsi. Sasa yere ukuru amwavoka kugira ngo amugeze ku mukire. Hari bora bibwe avoka arimo arakurikirana nzahiri. Ya briefcase arimo ama disk deal. Hard disk. Sawa.
Follow me.
Nkurikira. Kurikira agakobwa yere kumwavoka. Ondoka. Aje kwiyunga nabo yibye kugira ngo afate nawe abamugambaniye.
Right, well,
sawa na
kind of hoping that we can help each other.
Ndakeka nawe twafatanya tugafashanya.
I have information about that item.
Mfite amakuru yari ya bore yatwawe.
Stolen from one of your clients.
Yibwe n'umwe mbakiriya banyu. Nako yibwe umukiriya wawe.
To be presented directly to Mr. Valenti.
Ndashaka wowe umuzanya kuba Valentine.
My client list is strictly confidential, Mr. Gibson.
Yumva uriya no umukiriya wanje ku ruhande nta nubwo ari umukiriya rusange kandi ikindi nta nubwo napfa guhuza nawe.
Even if I had a client with that name, I wouldn't discuss it with you.
Umva kabe nubwo nafite umukiriya witwe gutyo nta kintu twavugana nje nawe hagati yawe nje nawe.
Okay.
Sawa.
Okay. Never mind then.
Ntobigire ikibazo, never mind. Sawa kandi ndashimye. Umukiriya wuyu niwe wibwe. Umwavoka nagomba kubibazwa.
I really hope that what I have to say does not reach Mr. Valenti from someone else, you know.
Umva byana nje kubwira nshaka nyakuba Valenti atazabibwirwa nundi. Kandi urakoze.
All right, wait.
Sabrets.
Close the door.
Cinga umuryango garuke.
I don't know who you think you are, what game you're playing at.
Sinzu ucyakuri ariko sinzu umukino kina.
But be at this address. Call this number in 1 hour.
Ngwaya address.
For the instructions.
Ukurikiza amabwiriza hamagara iyi nimero nyuma y'isa ujyaho hano ngubwiye.
Mr. Gibson.
Kandi witonde nyakuba Gibson. Ube Carrefour. witonde, be careful. Sandaza kuba kari furu ntacyo bitwaye. Bamubwiye guhamagara nyuma y'isaha. Nawe arangije GMC modoka z'abagaga fani nizagendamo bashinzwe iperereza. Kwa ebyiri Kananga uko yakaje kwa bamwavoka yasohotse binjira polisi. Wibuka nabagweke kwa muganga ngo sinzi uwanda sikumbe yarasukuna bigenzi bye. Nawe aracyakekwa. Yinjira muri stanseri. Hakuno polisi umwavoka bahaye gahunda.
More progress in recovering our property. The investigation is developing.
Umba invitike turacyari kwiperereza.
How are you related to the idol?
Basasa icyabi byabuze ubizihi iki?
My firm represents the holding company that owns it. They operate outside the US and we're registered to act as their agent here. So
sasa bari baratubaza ntabandi ni US Marine nabandi bagiye batandukanye ariko nyiri yo boro nanjye ari marayimbaza nk'umwavoka nawe munyeneye ko tudiringa ibyo mumenya byose mumenyeshe kugira bamenye buryo tubikurikirana.
When we learned of the loss, we reported it as their agent.
Nkaba agent mugomba kumbwira ibyo mumenye byose nkandanye ngamenya uburyo nkomeza gukurikirana ikirego.
And what's the holding company again?
Argent company twinguki? Argent International.
Have you heard of it?
Mwegeze muyumva cyane.
Probably read a recent write-up in the Wall Street Journal.
Actually, no.
Mwamuzi umuntu ari kwa muganga warashwe unatu cyane.
I saw Interpol reports on front companies from mob families.
Umva ari company nyinshi zikomeye zagiye zihomba zibwe n'imiryango yazo.
You must have confused Argenti with some other less reputable company.
Nyembwira ibintu bidahura ndababwira namwe mu makuru kujya nayo dufatanye.
I assure you.
Tugaruka hakuno. Nyakuba Gibson watubwira icyo ashaka kutubwira.
Where is Mr. Valenti?
Ndashaka Nyakuba Valenti.
You believe this guy?
Uyu muntu bamwizera? Oya.
Tell you something, wise ass.
Kangubwira amuswa.
The reason you're not spitting out your teeth right now?
Uzima muri mavuga amenya taravamo.
Is I was told to listen to what you had to say.
Twagaye twumva ibyo akabaye wavuze kare mbere na mbere niyo mpamvu amenya taravamo.
You don't talk to Mr. Valente.
Ntago wapfa kuvugana Nyakuba Valenti.
So you better start telling me something I want to hear.
Ahubwo mbwira ibyo nkeneye kumva.
I want Mr. Valenti to know.
Ndashaka Nyakuba Valenti.
You robbed him and that I can get it back.
Ndashaka amenye ko yibwe nyuma yo kumenya ko yibwe. Mumenyesha yuko namugarura ibyo yibwe.
Don't mess with me, jackass.
Utanyinisha wa muswa we. Wa musenze tubwire uninde wibye.
I want to hear for myself.
Reka niyumvire kwanza umukira vayo. Valenti. Nyiri kwibwa. Kananga ari hakuno Gibson.
Valenti, I can get you your case that was stolen from the bank.
Nyakuba Valenti nakugarira varisi yawe yibwe muri bank. Case yawe. Gute?
I was in on the robbery.
Mubi mwakwibye naye narindimu. Hey!
Tell me why I shouldn't drop you here right now.
Niki atuma mwizera? Cyatuma nakuna gahanze.
Okay.
Sawa.
The assistant bank manager, he was in on it.
Ati abantu bagufashije kugira ngo wibwe. Na assistant bank manager nawe yarabirimo. Uwungirije manager wa bank.
And that's how they knew it was there.
Niko twamenya yuko iriya briefcase yawe yarimo indani.
Now he's dead.
Yarapfuye twaramwirasiye.
I know who has it.
Ariko tuzi ufite briefcase yawe ndamuzi.
Really?
Sawa.
Because they tried to kill me too.
Nanjye bagerageje kunyica.
So I see. You need protection.
Nawe ukeneye uburinzi rero.
Mr. Valenti,
Nyakuba Valenti,
that you have this property well insured.
Ndabikwirije yuko umutungo wawe nakugarurira.
And if so,
kubw'ibyo rero,
you're positioned right now to collect on that.
Wowe nyizera kandi nabigufashamo.
What if you could get the insurance money and the case?
Amafaranga ya assurance yawe ukayasubizwa kandi na case yawe ukayibona.
I mean that's when.
Bijya mvuga ko kuri.
And I'm the only one who can get it back for you.
Kandi njye nyina kugarurira briefcase yawe.
And if you don't succeed,
none notayingarurira,
you still collect the insurance money.
Amafaranga ya assurance bank zakwishyura ko wibwe muri bank yawe.
So I'm sitting here wondering why don't I have Pete here just break your fingers one by one?
Barakuvuna intoki utangira kumbwira ubwo gitambwira ingingo ifatika.
Because I can get it back for you.
Naye kugarurira kandi binyoroheye. Nyifite intoki zanjye zose.
You got some balls on you.
Mbanza ufite intoki zikomeye kabisa.
You screw with us and I will feed them to you. Do you understand me?
Nzazihimbwa kandi nuzana ubugoryi nk'ubwo.
Look, I need your guys' help.
Ndashaka ubufasha bwanyu. Nta kindi. Hanyuma.
Let me see if I get this straight.
Reka nsobanukirwe neza.
Steal from me, they steal from you, and now you want to steal back from them so you can give it to me?
waranyibye nyuma yo kunyuma naye barakwiba none urashaka abakwibye bangarura ibyanjye n'icyabi tuma nizera yuko nawe utari bungambanire yitonze
A procedure.
reba icyo twaheraho ndashaka kuvuza umwana wanjye w'umukobwa ararwaye ameze nabi
You want what's coming through?
none
15% of about 4 million.
urama 15 kuri miliyoni enye 500 gusa cyane sinshaka umwana wanjye apfa hanyuma nkuzanire boro yawe nawe ive mu nzira
At ease, boys.
bamutoze basore ndashaka gutabara umwana wanjye nkakuzanira ibyawe.
That's a lot of Eric Thompsons.
26 in Nevada State.
hakuno sasa nabe perezida aracyakomeje baracyakuri ku makamera.
Forgery.
What's good? Does he have an ID?
baciye kinini banki zitibwa n'izibwe abantu bagiye bafungwa.
Thompson.
Eric Thompson.
None of us could get a match either.
Tukamukurikirana umukobwa.
Clean. Been driving there 6 months, just like he said.
Nkuko yabivuze yaciye amezi 6.
Square one.
Ikirego ahantu kiragaragara.
This ain't working. Let's get everyone together. We gotta try something different.
Umva dufata abantu bose bagiye ahantu hatandukanye buri ubenye amakuru ayazane hano tuyahuriza hamwe tere ko aricyo twabona.
We need to cast a wide net here, all right? I want to pull every assault with a deadly weapon record.
Ndashaka ahantu hose twaba twarabonye intwaro idasanzwe yakoreshejwe cyangwa se ubujano bwagiye bahatandukanye mu mezi 6 ashize.
Snickers bar shoplifted in the state of Nevada.
Hano muri Nevada hose turimo turibaza banka ziri muri Nevada zose.
Then we need to pull the vacation or sick days of every employee.
Ndashaka buri mukozi wese wakoraga muri banka warwaye byose record zose zikurikirana ne wahawe vacation akaruhuko
unions, construction companies or whatever company.
Either the construction companies turebe ibitaro byagiye byakira abantu bagiye batandukanye.
Cross-reference those together for the date of the robbery.
Turebe nabagiye mu bitaro nyuma yo kwibwa kandi abantu bagiye mu bitaro harimo umusore Gibson wibye.
Anyone gets a hit.
Buri bitaro byose mugere mubaza ati abaje kwivuza ni bande aho twabiheraho tumenya iri bande ni irihe niyo gahunda na yindi hakuno uyu yamenya yuko mu egisi we uyu mugabo usigaye ari umugabo we ari wamugambaniye kandi bose bari muri diru yo kwiba bivuze ngo mu egisi we ari Gibson ni yamwizera zi yuko umudamu nawe yabigize mu ruhari.
What's with you guys not following simple instructions?
Ase ni mtikizo cyo mudakurikiza amabwiriza.
Jack Willis is dead.
Jack Willis yapfuye. Iye kangamo ni Randy Kutcher.
Where?
Ngo yapfiriye he? Mudamu arumva.
How did it happen?
Byagenze bite?
You talked to any cops?
Wafunganye na polisi.
Where's the case?
None briefcase iri he?
Has it at his place.
Jerry yayitwaye uke Jerry namubwira ati aho kugira ngo nyiguye napfa turagabana senkane uramugabane wande wa Gibson. Jerry ne wacikanye case.
Don't go back.
Ntosubireyo utanazana ubugoryi.
They will tie Willis to you.
Jose birakugarukaho.
Dump this phone and get a new number and call me.
Umva tiyo telefoni aho gushaka ibintu cyose bari uzajya umamagaza.
What's going on?
Nebiki bijya mbere mudamu arabyuka.
Willis is dead.
Willis yapfuye.
How?
Ngo gute? Na ubizi. Basenzi bafite ubwugu muri bo.
Willis was a stupid junkie, always has been. One less dumbass to deal with.
Abasenzi n'ubu nabajya kubizera nacyo ni ikindi kibazo. Sheri.
Where you going?
Ugiye.
I gotta go to work.
Ngomba kujya ku kazi bafite gym hakuno bakoreramo. Mudamu niyakoramo. Hebwatinze. Iyo bamuhaye umushoferi bagomba kubahana paka.
How long you been in this line of work?
Akazi wagatangiye kingana iki? Kamaze igihe kingana iki? Umuzinzi kira hakuno. Uraza kuyikenera. Agiye kubahera ruhande buruwazi address ahatuye.
Hey, Xander.
Bite Zanda. Bikijya mbere.
Yeah, okay.
Sawa sabo. Kazana nika gahaka kiwe. Niko yagwe nkajya gacunga umwana we. kiraho ni igiporezo cyana naho kuno burisho.
How's she doing?
She's hungry.
Kana meza tarashonje nta kindi.
I appreciate you doing this.
Umva nagushimye kuri muramfasha. Webuka se wakaza ndani wamufashije muri gereza kugira ngo acike.
I need that.
Ushaka kugenda nako mu nyuma. Ko barisha uduti ni gutya.
You do the twist.
Twist?
Urabanza ugatwisting ukazengurutsa.
Oh my God. Not light? She's not allowed visitors. I'm sorry.
Umva ntaba rwose nta bantu bemereye kumusura. Akana kageze gucika kabona nyina.
It's okay.
Yabeshye umugabo we. Jack yuko agiye kujya kuri gym ahurira n'umugabo we wa mbere mu bitaro. Niba bacana wako umugabo azi yuko ko Jack aramugambane asigaye ari umugabo w'uyu mugore n'umugore agomba kuba afite mu ruhare.
You dating my dad again or what?
We na papa musigaye mwumvikana se cyangwa bana abazungu nabitindaho muracyateretana cyangwa mwarashwanye completely.
I don't see a little bit, okay?
Mwana ndaza kubona mu nyuma. Agiye guca muri MRI araza kugaruka. Musigare muganira. Saza umugabo none umugore basigaye bazirana urunuka. Ikigabo cyo bafitanye babanyubu nicyo cyamugambaniye.
Bet you're here a lot.
Kunda kuza hano.
Any news on Emma's progress?
Waba ugiye kumama kuri yo Emma ameze muri iyi minsi?
Why are you here?
Kuki uri hano?
Look, I didn't know. I'm glad you're okay.
Imana ishimwe ntabwo wari bize ariko nishimwe kuri muzima.
Boyfriend know that you're here?
Boyfriend wawe yabaze kuri hano?
No.
Oya.
Where are my drives?
Ubundi se za disk dire ziri drives zanjye. Hard drive. Disk zanjye ziri. Avanaga papuro. Ameze nabi.
What's this?
Biniki.
It's what you want.
Bino byo shaka. Kirakuno. Mwandikira address. Yitonze.
And how do I know that's not a setup?
Wasanga sana gatego naye menyane.
I didn't mean for any of this to happen.
Gomba kunyizera naye ntabwo mbizera. Nawe nakwizera nte?
What's wrong?
Kibazo kimfite?
Your boyfriend tried to...
Sheri wawe yarangamane bandasa amasaso ane mu rutugu na katatu. None ngo mwizere.
Veronica, wait.
Veronica. Akuno. Police nayo cyari mu iperereza.
What do you got? Remember the dead guy we found in the car?
Barebe kumutwaza mu modoka.
Willis, the medical examiner, just finished with this guy. Check it out.
Twagiye gukora autopsy ku murango wa Bob Willis.
Heart attack.
Yagize ikibazo cy'umutima. Yamwe bijya bwo overdose. Yamwe cocaine iramurenga. System itangira kora yiruka ngo amaraso yari yashyushye cyane. Ariko nawe mbese nka yahamagaye kwa muganga umunsi wo kwiba.
Bobby Willis.
Bobby Willis.
I know that name.
Yes, Andariz.
Robberies, one of them was an armored truck.
Yari afite imodoka yari Amadi.
So listen, toxicology report's going to take a few days, but they found he had a crushed trachea.
Byanga byakunda afite n'ikibazo cya trachea. Kimuhumekero mu muhogo.
Now what?
None gikurikira.
We see if Willis was involved in the robbery.
Byanga byakunda Bobby Willis nawe ari mubibye.
Associates check up and
ahubwo dushaka abandi bari bashuti banaho dukomeza gukora iperereza. Jerry Foster nawe bari inshuti bakunda kugendana.
Says he and Willis did a stint together. Got
babaga bari kumwe kenshi no kazi ka Bobby Willis.
The PO officer also says that Foster's been seeing a dancer that goes by.
Kuva habaho kwiba dukeneye Foster, dukeneye Bobby Willis, dukeneye Jerry Willis yanacishene.
Kenwood.
Tujye kuri Kenwood aho bakoreraga.
Let's go.
Reka tugende. Kenwood umwana 1515 ako 19. Kuba hano araho bahaye address. Wa mugore Veronica.
If this is what I think it is.
Ndakeka era natuye. Ndukomeza imbere. Harimo Foster, Jerry, Jaka, Gibson, Veronica. Uwa mbere we yapfuye acisheni. Baza mu rugo kwa cha Foster. Dotinyuma. Ikizu nimba ari stock. Nimba ari nzu yo kubamo. Nimba ari abanaga ibintu bishaje. baca inyuma mu gikari ntihafunze. Ibintu birimo birashaje. Bagiye kumva mva rucuranga. Baciye ibikari. Ni ikizu wajyana isari kirahurutuye binikira. Imyenda muri koridoro. Imbaraga radio kicuranga. Ibi televiziyo bya zamani. Kugira gutya. Jerry wari wawe kumba harimo n'umukecuru ukuze. Yibereye kuri katuni. Nagacayi. Mukecuru winja uko kurana imyaka isubira ibwana. Yibereye kuri katuni yishimye. Nko mubwira amakuru. Nko mubaze ngo igihugu kigeze reka da. Bakomeza hakuno. Icyo bashaka ni ya briefcase irimo za hard drive.
Are you kidding me?
None mranyinisha wana. Simbizi. Kugira gutya basenzi n'abavandimwe. Jerry na cha Foster bakiraho. Shika. Jerry ni wawe?
It's okay, Miss Foster. Just me.
Ego mchecho Foster. Njewe.
You son of...
Baye wana cha Foster. Kiratanya kiracika. Kibasanze mu nzu. Nganda bana. Cheza hakuno uyu ni anasimbuka gapangu. Bamurashe mu kaboko nakuno yazamuka. Utisha amaso. Cyagwe sasa kiratsikira. Aha kanzenguruke nitonze.
Stay where you are.
Guma huri. Ahava. Uyu no mujinya. Bastadi mwabasenzi mwe twiba hamwe mugatwara boro mwenyine. Abanza kukigiriza aho ngana. Ajinga sana.
Somewhere to take him?
Ufitaho kumujyana cyangwa tumujyana handi?
I have some questions.
Hago mfite byinshi byo kumbaza.
I know a place.
Anzaho twamujyana. Kombe hakuno fandi. Ukari babiri. Barashaka Jerry Foster uko bagendanaga nande n'umugenzi Willis Bobby. Barakomanga.
What can I do for you?
Na bafashe iki?
We're wondering if Jerry Foster's here.
Jerry Foster yabari hano.
He ain't been around for a few days.
Maze iminsi ahari.
Okay. Does he live here?
Abano se?
Comes and goes.
Araza akagenda.
Okay.
Sawa.
Anything about any of his friends?
Hari twashaka kumbaza bijyanye n'inshuti ye. Twakwinjira.
Take a look around.
Twakwinjira tukarebamo indani. Mufite mandadare oya. Cyangwa cya leta twemera kwinjira.
Work with us a little bit.
Only guy I know of is someone named Sullivan.
Umuntu uzi bakunda kugendana witwa Sullivan.
His mother's house somewhere on Durango Terrace.
Akenshi bari kumwe nande na ma Jerry.
Talk much when he's here.
Ariko maze iminsi atanagera hano.
Thank you. We appreciate.
Urakoze turabishimye nabyo.
Thank you.
Sam murakoze.
Okay, Cole Reed, have her check on that Durango Terrace address.
Address aduhaye nizo tugomba kurikiza nta kindi gikurikira. Humburuko uko bakaruzanye.
Hey!
Yewe.
What the hell?
Bichi bijambere wana?
Hey.
Yewe.
Hey. Where are you meeting Jack?
What are you talking about?
Uravuga ibiki?
Where's my goddamn briefcase?
Ndavuze ngo briefcase yangiriye. Varis.
Screw you.
Kerya gapando kiramutuka. Okay.
Can I try?
Nagerageza nkamuvugisha.
Who's this?
Ntacyo nindira. Sheri wawe kiramutuka.
Find out.
Azana fera beto. Ubi TV. Ayiwe. Uravuga tu. Yanze kuvuga arimo aratukana. Turakubaza ugatukana.
I'm looking at a dead man right now.
ndimo ndabareba nk'imirambo imbere yanjye nona barabato y'isura umugabo urana umutindishaho nta kukubaza kabiri oya kanze ibihano biracyahari don't worry ufunga umunwa nawe uhanwa cyane arangije yitonze kuramo igisogisi wanze kuvuga azana umwe bukate nsinga bwa avuna kano uravuga ku ngufu arakanda aragakata umugabo nta mabazi sawa sawa nababwira vuga se uruhinja twinginga
I don't know where he is.
ntago nzahana ari
Really?
nuko kuri kandi
Really? I don't.
ntago mbizi
I don't know where he is.
ntago nzahana ari
Really?
niko kuri icyo ntago cyagukase neza kamanze nkatuye umupira uramenya aho aherereye.
What the hell is this?
Ibyo ni ikira?
Shit just got real.
Bigiye kubana ibya seriye. Iburyo n'ibumoso hombi mukanya uravuga neza. Ndumva ntago ndi buhagarare pa kumbwira nsanga Jack.
And how far we go is up to you.
Turakomeza paka. Ni wowe bwitemo natuguturekera. Biri mu biganza byawe. Shyiraho switch umuriro. Umuriro agikoma. Urutenga mangana ngahe. Sawa. Kare kose.
Freeport Casino.
Mubwira ari kuri Freeport Casino. Yeah.
Boy.
Sawa tuzasubira. Murenzo urana nta miyaga.
Good work.
Kazi keza. Kumbe nako yagatashye. Avuye kuri umwabo mukuru. Jim yari meze iti niyo bakoramo.
My gym is fine.
Jim yanjye imeze neza. Banda cyageze gismana ariyo. Waruri.
I was.
No, I don't.
Aho narindi.
At the gym.
Nari biskutari kuri gym. Nari mbizi neza.
I don't care.
Simbyitaho.
I know you have feelings for him.
Ndabizo cyane mufite ibyiyumviro.
I care that he's alive.
Icyo nitaho nuko ari muzima. Ibindi ntago mwitaho rwose.
What the hell, Jack?
Jack, uri nabi nibiki? Tuza.
When you calm down.
Kucyo mwango ntuze.
Try to take out my friend. You want to take me out too, huh?
Watumye nza muri akazi inshuti zantangiye kuzitana. Umva, funga umunwa.
Took it, so what? What's the difference between people like you and people like me?
Nari tandukana hagati yawe n'abantu nkawe kimwe n'abantu nkanjye. Mva nduwo gutsinda.
Coke?
Ushaka kokayine? Tangiye gushira mutangiye kugira kirize. Ushaka kokayine nyinshi? Ayo ma withdrawal yawe izo kirize ufite za kokayine ndazikumaramo wena hano se nyine. Baburetse ayigamije amazuru nyinshi. Ajya kureba umu egisi wawe. Mwaratendanye mwaratandukanye. Ugomba witware neza. Twari twumvikanye. Hano wananyishu. Bamushaka. Ushaka kuba ubuzima bw'abakeneye. Muryango uri hariya. Ujye uvuga kandi weruye. Sanga umu egisi wawe. Jya kubana n'abatindi. Byo ni ibikureba. Sasa hakuno. Polisi ayigeze hose bagerayo. Kumviriza bumva. Ninzi ishaje. Police. Hano ibera umukecuru yihorera kuri katuni. Ni umukecuru ushaje. bakiraho cyagera kirimo indani kirasa na polisi kiratangira barasa kugi. Yo,
come on, Jerry. We got the place surrounded.
Umba dufite polisi azengurutse hano Jerry. Jerry ni wawe mukecuru amatwi nayo yarapfuye kubera gusaza. Jerry Gushikano cyaciye mu idirishya kare yacomotse nk'ejo. Sawa sawa hakunino Jack nawe yaciye ukwe mfite kakufure foro mu rugo disk zimwe nizo zifite fata ibiceri bye pinda yari yumvikanye na Jerry aho bahurira vanayo ka hard drive kamwe disk deal external.
You get my text about the drop?
Yeah, I'll be there.
Na wabonye message nakwandikiye aho tuhure na tunabonye utabyangiza tugurane ngo amafaranga yawe nawe mereze briefcase. Sawa ibwatinze amafaranga yapakiye avayo musaka goroba naye ku muhanda cyategereje kiraho ndani mu modoka polisi nayo byano bitwaye mugare ibintu byanye nahamagara polisi mukecuru nazwe naho muri imbere ni polisi kutiga singeso.
We are the police. You're okay.
Umva mukecuru humura sheri biragenda neza nitwe wa polisi.
Look after it.
Bagusanga nakantu kumuringane wabo utarakibyo bazi ko banki ibika ibintu byinshi diama korota zahabu.
Before you ask, it's a cell phone number, belongs to a Jerry Foster.
Cool. Ni phone number ya Jerry Foster.
That's for you.
Akana kawe mukomeze nayo mugerageze iciyemo mwayi tracking mukamenya naherereye kumbe yarabaje kugurana yazanye amafaranga wa mu briefcase byanga byakundi ifite agaciro kurusha $500 Veronica bene gukorera ku gitugu
over here.
Yeah, pareka ari imbere. Bwatinze zana briefcase. Masaka joro arasesera. Bose nama bandi nta wizera undi kandi ntagazi niyo baje guhurira yarahoze kera. Abana Jack n'umugore we Veronica nabo barasohoka mu modoka n'uruzu rushaje ajya mu warehouse. Ndani abandi ryize ririndi uwa mbere baramurashe Willis nawe ahita kurikira arapfa. Abandi baracyaza.
Yep. What do you got?
Ubonye iki?
Yeah, of course I know where that is. We're on our way. Send for backup. We may need it.
Umba mwohereza ubufasha dushaka kuza kubukenera.
Let's go.
Nimero mukomeza mu tracking ya Jerry. Uyu n'umugore nawo na briefcase yabo nako n'amafaranga. Upore bifizibure zose abona haratse.
Somebody must have paid the bill.
Kumbe ni yazanye ka briefcase yaciye ahandi. Bitonze byakayikurayo kugera aha kigenzi cyabo cyatanze aderese nacyo bagihambiriye hano baje bakenagaho. Sasa kana agatego kugira gutya
Dad?
yapfuye.
Still a pulse.
Amona saracyatera. Masasu. Sasa.
What the hell did you do to him, Jack?
We mukore biki Jack? Kizwe mugenzi wabo ari na Jack muhitanye nawe. Nibazi kana agatego.
One by one.
Chaka kuduhitana umwe kuwundi.
God, Jerry.
Uravuga biki Jerry?
You and that stupid whore do this?
Urimo akore bi.
You guys are the ones that got greedy. This wasn't us.
Umva nimwe mwagize ubugugu nagari twebwe. Bararasana.
What are you talking about? Then who did?
Nenda abikoze niba atari mwebwe. Jerry arayamanika. Bose bari kwitana ba mwana nimwe mwagambanye abandi nimwe mufite ubugugu.
Where's the money?
Mafaranga ari.
Okay, easy.
Sawa sawa genda gace. Mafaranga ari hano hafi.
You give me a case.
Kumvikana. Mereza case. Mbona amafaranga yawe. Ngwe briefcase. Shira hasi.
Tell you what. You want more?
Shaka ibindi birenze. Abanza kurasa genzi cye.
Easy.
Yenda gace, yenda gace. Faya bahita bamuhereza mu gituza cy'imanura gato. Ndakubwiye nta mujura wizera undi. Jack ibyo ashaka bigezeho ari amafaranga na briefcase agenda rye nandi. Kuramo neza. Na hadi disk bari bamuhaye nayishyira mu ya disk deal. Bajya mu rutugu naraswa. Kumbe gibusha nawe araho hafi. Nick Gibson nawe yizi.
Drop the gun, Jack.
Shiri munasi Jack.
Oh, we make a nice threesome.
Umva turi batatu twagabana. Ubutatu.
Lover?
Uramukunda? Arasaga kobwa. Kigiheru cyana cyo baragiye. Oya.
Hang on.
Veroni. Ihangane. Mwana ariko agamubwira ngo asubirane na nyina byaranze.
Hang on.
Ihangane. Gumana nanjye. Tego kabagiye mu mugongo.
What took you so long?
Cyagutumjererwa wana. Hangane.
You wanted me to give you this.
Valenti yamwe nkwereza ibyawe. Nibyo umukobwa wawe for your daughter. Buri cyo cyose cy'Rwanda birahura hangono ihangane ni bimwe. Fata briefcase yabo.
You need my help?
Keneye ubufasha bwanjye? Oya. Tuzasubira rero. Mudama aciyeho areba kagasa mugenzi yari yamusigiye muri gym. Jewe gatata we. Police murabizi teka baza birangiye wapfuye yapfuye. Uwacitse yacitse. Ntibazuru wapfuye. Barahagera. Bageze aha. Naye byanga byakunda asubira ishene tu. Sinzi ukuntu hano wasanga imirambo 2 na 3 ubwo uvuge ngo urarenga nasi wowe kutari wowe uri muzima kujya atari wowe wapfuye. Fata agakapu ke ca hakuno. Police ndani. Hakuno Zanda nawe aracyari hanze. Tegereje mushuti. Kureba neza. Abona Nick arasohotse. Gibson. Akindi gisigaye mugenzi no gutangira. Arabe ko mugenzi yajya kuvuza akana ke.
Yeah, I guess
so. Ari ikirori kabisa.
You remember this guy?
Ndakeka nukagenze bayitaga blowback. Yari Sankara da Premier mwumvaga abagiye mwakoze kuza murabeho n'abakunda cyane cyane. Ni mucikwizikurikira. Hasta la vista.